Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a recipe which I make pretty much every day when it's summer. A mint lemonade. It's refreshing, sweet and best for your glow. This mint lemonade is prepared from lemon, fresh ginger, sugar and fresh mint leaves. So let's get started. There you go, 2 lemons, 1 and 2. Now I'm just going to squeeze it in straight into the jar. Okay, here it goes. Next, I'm going to drop in sugar. Here, I'm going to take around 2 tablespoons of sugar, but it's up to you. 1, 2. Then comes our fresh mint leaves. Here, I've taken about 1 cup of fresh mint leaves. Ginger, 1-inch piece, I've already chopped in, goes in. Then into this, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. 1 cup and the next cup. So 2 cups of water and then some fresh ice, ice cubes. Now let's blend it. It's ready. So let's strain this into a cup. Wow, see the green color. Beautiful. And refreshing. Now to a glass, let's drop in a few ice cubes. And then goes in our mint lemonade. Here it goes. Wow. This sparkling mint lemonade is an excellent spring or summer drink to sip on the afternoon on a hot day. Wow, it's refreshing with a delicious flavor of mint. I hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.